In today's video, I'll show you guys how to permanently set any game to high priority on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So you don't need to change it manually every time you start the game. I'll show you guys how to do that. Open Task Manager and make sure the game is running in the background. Right click and select Go to Details. And you need to write down in Notepad this process name. In my case, so this GTA 4 can't able to type this simple. So right click and select Properties. Copy this name, paste it in process name, and type .exe. You need to make sure it looks exactly like it is, and then minimize this and go to search menu and type Registry Editor. Click on Open it and select Yes. Check my video description for this registry path. Copy and paste it in this address bar and press enter. And now copy this process name. Right click on this image file execution options and select new and select key. Paste the name we copied and press enter. Check my video description for this text used. PerfOptions. Copy and right click on the process name and select new and select key. Paste the key name text we copied and press enter. On right side, you need to copy the CpuPriorityClass. In my description, you can find this text. Right click and select new and select devote 32-bit value. Paste this CpuPriorityClass and press enter. Double click, set value data to 3 and click on OK. Just minimize this and need to launch the game, whatever game you added to this registry. So the game is already running. I'm gonna close this. Start the game. Once you are in game, press Control Shift plus Escape key to open Task Manager. Right click on the game process and select Go to Details. And right click on the exe and go to Set Priority. It is set to high priority in default. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.